Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can change your email address in Canva. So here I've already opened the Canva apps, and what you need to do is you click on the menu options at the bottom right corner, and then here you can see your name and the menu. And if you want to change your email address, just click on this drop down and then go to the account settings. Okay, and here in the settings, click on your account. Okay, so here you'll see your email address, and to change it you can just click on the edit box here, and then here you need to fill in your password first before you can change the email. So I'm going to get back to you. Okay, so after you enter the password, click on confirm password, and here the box will be editable, and you can just click on the new email in here, for example like this, and then you can just click on save to change it. Okay guys, so that's all for me. That is how you can change your email address in Canva. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. And last, please click on the thanks below. I will really appreciate that. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.